All right, y'all. So I'm back with the dewormer, and she gonna get the Nemex 2, 1 milliliter for every 2 pounds. So she's 16 pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and give her 8. So I'm gonna just go ahead and shake up the Nemex 2, and then like once they hit 14 weeks, I'll go ahead and switch over to the goat dewormer. But for the most part, right now, she's gonna go ahead and just get the Nemex 2, and I didn't deworm them the first week this time. I just went 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they're 8 weeks now. So about to go ahead and hit her with this dewormer. So we're gonna give her a nice cool 8 cc's. And then I do go a little bit over 8. So like 8.3, 8.4. 8.4, man. Because she will be gaining weight. So, alright, I got that. Got that. She kind of tired. Hit girl definitely don't like this stuff. All the other pups take it okay. So I kind of got to take my time with Hit girl. She definitely don't be liking the dewormer. Hold on, let me see. I done dropped a little bit on her. But yeah. So now she dewormed.